All right, so we're going to finish this lesson now. Let's read it and see if we can figure out what the two equations are. So Leslie's at the movies and she watched a group of people buy 5 tickets, that's X, and 2 popcorns, that's Y, for a total that's equals of $47.50. There's your first equation. 5X plus 2Y equals $47.50. Next equation. A second group buys 4 tickets, that's X, and 1 popcorn, that's Y. 4, that's equals $35. So 4X plus 1Y equals $35. So I'm going to look at my coefficients to see if I'm adding or subtracting. I'm not even reading the rest of the question yet. I know I have to solve it first. So I have 5 and 4 and 2 and 1. So none of them are the same. I have to multiply. Do I have to multiply one of these or both of these? Let's see. I can't multiply 4 by anything to get 5, but I can multiply 1 to get 2. So you can solve this by multiplying just the second equation. So it becomes 8X plus 2Y equals $70. Again, if you remember from yesterday, I'm going to write the first equation underneath because I know I'm subtracting and I want these smaller numbers underneath. So I'm going to write it in this order. If you left it in the other order, that is perfectly fine. You'll just have negatives to deal with. So 2Y and 2Y are both positive. To get them to cancel out, I need to subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3X. This becomes 69, $1.50 to 2. One-step equation, I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. 5. It's going to go in evenly, so 3 goes into 22 7 times with 1 left over. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So X is $7.50. What does X stand for? A ticket. Okay, so that's a ticket. Now I need to find Y. I like the second equation. So 4, instead of X, I'm putting $7.50 plus Y is $35. So what is $7.50 times 4? Let's see. 0, 20, 28. So it's $30. So we have $30 plus Y equals 35. So one-step equation. Subtract the 30 on both sides. Y is $5. And what is Y? A popcorn. So now I'm going to go to the next slide and actually answer the question. All right, so the question says, when Leslie's friends arrive, they buy 3 tickets and 2 popcorns. What is their total? 3 tickets. So $7.50 times 3. And then I'm going to add that to $5 times 2. So I know that's 10. So 0, 15. So $22.50 plus 10 is $32.50. What is their total? The total for Leslie and her friends is $32.50. That is the answer to the question. One more practice problem before your exit ticket.